Hi, it's Tony Hayes again, Paranormal Investigation UK. What date is today? Is the 30th of December, and we're actually looking at movie 218 again from the Cheshire Investigation. I've had a quick look through this one, and there are a few little anomalies in here. Most of them having a rational explanation. So normally what I would do with this is simply put it into the folder negative capture. However, what I decided to do is actually we'll analyse this as we normally would do, and we'll split this up. There's quite a lot going on with this one, so hopefully it'll find some usefulness with some of you. Let's start this up. What I've actually done with the EQ, I've turned it up quite high, because a lot of the stuff you won't hear. So there's a visual thing as well, which are what I want to talk about. That there. Let's go back again. Okay. Now, see the streak, the white streak is running across. I'm fairly confident with this that this is nothing more than dust. Wait, what makes it a little bit more interesting, there is an actual noise just after it passes. Hear that there? I'll just loop that. You can hear that quite clearly. Yeah. If I turn it to normal volume, you're not going to hear it at all. It isn't there. It's only when you turn it up. That is there. So I'm fairly convinced with that one that has a rational explanation, although you can actually, let me get it back a little bit earlier. You can see the flash of light. Well, we should do. Where's it gone? There, then there's a noise. I don't believe that the two are connected. There's no doubt it's on at 2 seconds when it comes past that it could be an insect, dust, that type of airborne anomaly. Then you hear the noise. They're not connected. I'm fairly convinced of that. So there's something else that comes up then. So just be careful. Split the two up, don't bundle them together, such as the light anomaly comes past and you hear a noise, so therefore it's connected, it has to have made the noise. It's so low in volume that it could be practically anything. It could be something outside door type of thing, which is what I think it is. It's some sort of, as we'll find out now. Okay, hear that. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume back down. I think we should still hear that. Yeah, just hear it, just distance. Okay, so you can just about hear it, but I'm going to turn the volume back up. And that is a car. There's a little bit of a noise there. Which is a little bit more interesting. But sometimes in these types of CCTV footage you can get what I call accidental captures, because if it wasn't for the light anomaly, I don't like to use it, and I won't use the word orb. It's too suggestive. That could be an accidental capture. It sometimes happens. So what you're going to do, we're going to mark that up. I'll just put a question mark one, so we know what it is. I'll go back to that. Just keep an eye on the footage as well. I have gone through this earlier. You can hear the car driving off. Yeah, nothing else in there. Okay, so what we now need to do is, this is this unusual sound, that. I need also now to turn the down to 0. We've got no indication of sound there at all. I can just about hear it. Okay, I'm just running the maximum, that the frequency. I'm just interested in the frequency, but when you look at the average over that time period, there's nothing there, and nothing on the real time. If you're unsure and you think it may be within a frequency of one that you're interested in, such as a rap, which obviously I am, you can go try and get some indication, but we've got a frequency here of between about 700. It blips off at about 1100, and then there's a big jump again at about 1500. There's also a little bit of bass here which is sound reflecting. That could be anything from what time is this video? It's 10 to 8 at night. Someone's leaving the office, that type of thing. Door banging, door slow to bang, comes out of the office, gets in his car, drives away. So it's just got that type of thing. So looking at that frequency, that is not what I'm used to seeing as far as if I look at it from a paranormal perspective. Plus, if I turn it up and amplify it, there's loads of noise, so it's sound coming from quite a distance away, and undoubtedly picking up sounds bouncing off other items before it reaches the microphone, picks it up, and you just get a wash of frequency spread and what that is. So we've got a few things there to think about. You had the light anomaly, there's a noise after it, but it's so low and distance away, I don't believe for a moment they can't even get a frequency on it that's connected, because it just looks like dust or some sort of flying insect. The second one was obviously the boom sound, that was a car driving up, and there's a couple of sounds then which sound like rap, but no, there's just too much frequency in it, and it's from quite some distance away. And given that the car, someone's come out the building, got in the car, driven away, it could just be a simple case of a door closing, something like that. So the likelihood is that's what it is. You can never be 100%. I am not saying for a moment that that's 100% rational explanation. What I am saying is that's more likely that will be the explanation. So hope you found that useful. Nice to do a debunk from time to time. See you in the next video.